Hey guys, so today we are doing just a rough draft of the brochure for your energy source. So get a piece of paper out like this. It can be a lined piece of paper, it can be an older one if you don't have any fresh new ones, but I believe you still have a couple. It doesn't have to be that cardstock paper because you might use that too. Just a regular piece of paper. And you're gonna fold it into thirds. I'm gonna kind of show how to do that. So as you fold it into thirds, you take one part like so, and you go, after you bend it, you should have an equal amount on this and this. And if it's not exactly equal, that's okay. And then you open it back up, you fold the other part in. So then when it's all said and done, you're gonna have something that looks like so. Like so. And this is gonna be the rough draft of your brochure. For this brochure, excuse me, you are going to tell me what's going to be in each of these parts. You don't even have to put down information. So maybe for this, I would have, for the top part, I would have title and name. Just so you're kind of planning out where things are going to go. So within this brochure, title and name. And then when I open up, maybe in this part, I would have how much is used on this page. And again, you don't have to put down the information if you don't want to, but I kind of want you to kind of figure out how is it going to be laid out. Over here, I'm going to say, how is it created? So think about the research that you did. Think about the research that you did and the questions that you had to answer. And how are you going to now lay it out within these? There's 1, 2, 3, and then there's going to be six panels that you have to kind of fill in the information. You should probably do a little bit more than just like this, but think about like, where are you going to put your information? Where are you going to put pictures and graphs and figures and all the other stuff within this whole thing? And that's what you're doing today. Once you're done with this, you're going to go on to the page 4, which I'm going to share my screen and kind of talk through that real quick too. So your page 4 looks like this, your day 4. And you're answering the questions, what are the various parts I want to have within the brochure? So what are the things that you want to make sure that you're talking about? How are you going to organize it? Where are you going to put those parts in panels like 1 through 6? Is there any information I need or questions that I still have? And what are some challenges that I'll face and how will I overcome them? So those are the questions that I want you to answer as you are doing this rough draft of the brochure. Again, it doesn't need to be like colored or pictured or anything like that. I just want you to have a general sense of how your brochure is going to be laid out, because starting tomorrow, we're going to actually start making these. I don't want you to just like get super overwhelmed at the amount of information that you have and how you're going to put it everywhere. If you have if you have questions, let me know or let your teacher know. Thanks.